Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to recycle old trailer truck parts. A practical guide for truck owners. Recycling old trailer truck parts isn't just a smart move, it's a win for your wallet, the environment, and the entire trucking industry. Instead of letting worn-out components end up in landfills, many parts can be reused, repurposed, or safely recycled to reduce waste and conserve resources. It's an opportunity to cut costs on repairs, lower your environmental footprint, and support a more sustainable future for trucking. Taking the time to understand how to recycle these parts can make a big difference, whether you're a fleet owner or a solo operator. Benefits of recycling trailer truck parts. Recycling trailer truck parts offers a wide range of advantages that go beyond simply getting rid of old, worn-out components. By choosing to recycle, you're making a smart choice for the environment, your budget, and the trucking industry's future. Let's break down the benefits into 3 key areas. Reducing environmental impact. Recycling truck parts plays a significant role in cutting down landfill waste. Many truck components, like steel, aluminum, and rubber, don't break down easily in a landfill. Instead of letting these materials pile up and contribute to pollution, recycling ensures they get a second life in new manufacturing processes. It doesn't stop there. When parts are recycled instead of manufactured from raw materials, we reduce the energy and resources needed for production. This results in fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Think about it. Creating a part from scratch involves mining, refining, and shipping raw materials, all of which leave a hefty carbon footprint. Recycling skips much of this process, helping to slow the pace of climate change. By recycling trailer truck parts, you're not just helping your business, you're actively protecting the planet for future generations. Cost savings for truck owners. One of the biggest perks of recycling is cost savings. Recycled parts are often much cheaper than buying brand new ones. Need a new axle or brake drum? Recycled options can offer the same quality and performance but at a fraction of the price. Why spend more when you have an affordable alternative that works just as well? Additionally, selling your old parts for recycling can put some money back in your pocket. Scrap metal buyers and recycling facilities often pay for materials like steel and aluminum. It's a simple way to recover some of the costs from old equipment that's no longer useful to you. Pairing these savings with the reduced expense of recycled parts can make a significant difference in your overall maintenance budget. Whether you're maintaining a single truck or a large fleet, recycling offers a practical way to keep costs down without sacrificing quality. Supporting the circular economy. When you recycle truck parts, you're contributing to something bigger, the circular economy. This system focuses on keeping materials in use for as long as possible through recycling, refurbishing, and reusing. Unlike the traditional take, make, dispose model, the circular economy reduces waste and ensures resources aren't wasted. For the trucking industry, this means keeping valuable materials like metal, rubber, and plastic in circulation. Recycled parts can be restored to like new condition, reducing the need for mining new resources. This not only ensures sustainability but also creates jobs in the recycling and refurbishment sectors. By supporting recycling, you're helping to build a trucking system that's efficient, eco-friendly, and less dependent on finite raw materials. It's about creating a loop where nothing is wasted, and every part has a purpose, even at the end of its life. Recycling trailer truck parts isn't just good for the environment or your wallet. It's about being part of a smarter, more sustainable future. Identifying recyclable trailer truck parts. When it comes to recycling old trailer truck parts, knowing which components have value and where they can go is key. Many parts are made from materials that can either be reused as is or broken down and repurposed. By identifying these recyclable parts, you can save money, reduce waste, and contribute to a more sustainable trucking industry. Metal components. Trailer trucks are built with a lot of metal, making these parts some of the most valuable when it comes to recycling. Parts like axles, frames, and chassis are usually made from steel or aluminum, both of which are in high demand in scrap metal markets. These metals are melted down and reused in manufacturing everything from car parts to construction materials. Why are metal parts important? Metals like steel are incredibly durable and can be recycled multiple times without losing quality. Plus, selling scrap metals is an easy way to recover some cash for parts you can't use anymore. Make sure to remove any non-metal attachments, such as rubber or plastic, before taking them to a scrapyard to maximize their value. When you see metal, think of it as cash waiting to be recycled. It's as simple as that. Tires and rubber materials. Old, worn-out tires might seem useless, but they're highly recyclable. Many recycling facilities process them into new products such as retreaded tires, rubber mats, or even playground surfaces. Retreading extends the life of a tire by adding a new tread layer, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for truck owners. For tires that are too damaged for retreading, the rubber can be shredded and repurposed into crumb rubber. This material is used in products like asphalt and landscaping mulch. It's a creative way to keep tires out of landfills while giving them a second life. If you've got a pile of old tires lying around, don't toss them. They're full of potential for reuse and recycling. Batteries and electronics. Batteries and electronic components are critical parts of a truck's operation, but they can be hazardous when disposed of improperly. Items like lead-acid batteries and engine control units, ECUs, contain materials that can harm the environment if thrown in the trash. Recycling is the safest option. Most truck batteries are collected, broken apart, and separated into plastic, lead, and acid. The lead is especially valuable because it's almost 100% recyclable and has a wide range of uses, including in the production of new batteries. Electronic components are typically processed to recover metals like copper and gold, which are reused in new electronics. When handling these items, it's important to take them to a facility that specializes in hazardous waste recycling. It's not only better for the environment but also ensures you comply with disposal regulations. That's it for Part 1. We've covered the basics of recycling trailer truck parts. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll share more tips and practical steps to get the job done. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.